Turns out unhealthy air, the kind that triggers code orange and red days, isn't isolated to cities. Alex Dmitrik reports it also hangs out over the water.
The challenge of studying air pollution over water is finding someplace solid to do the research. In the Chesapeake Bay, NASA scientists have chosen Hart Miller Island to plant their instruments and make measurements, collecting data to better understand a peculiar phenomenon.
In the morning, some of the pollution from land gets advected or transported over the water, and during the day it cooks and makes some secondary pollutants like ozone, and then comes back in the afternoon. And so it's very strange.
The instruments range from traditional weather balloons to the high tech of LiDAR, where radar imaging is done with lasers.
Having the observations over the water to understand what is happening before it gets back to the land is kind of a key component of understanding the full process.
That means getting chemical measurements at different altitudes over the water, especially low-level ozone, which is the key ingredient of very unhealthy air. Air pollution migrating from land to water and back again is not unique to Baltimore.
This could be a health issue for many people. Major metropolitan areas, Chicago, Los Angeles, Houston, Baltimore, a lot of places up in the Northeast as well experience this issue.
People go to the water to get some fresh air, and sometimes if the wind's blowing the wrong way, they're actually breathing more polluted air.
Alex Dmitrik, WJZ.
Part of the NASA study involves testing the accuracy of a new air pollution instrument, which will eventually be launched into orbit.